Is your Ford Ranger's alarm randomly activating? The most common culprits are the door ajar sensor, hood switch, or a weak key fob battery. First, check your dashboard for a door ajar warning. If present, inspect each door's alignment and the sensor itself for dirt or damage. Next, examine the hood switch, typically located under the hood latch. Ensure it's clean and not stuck. Finally, replace the key fob battery. A low battery can cause signal issues that trigger the alarm. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for BCM error codes like B10D9, hood ajar, or U0100, BCM communication loss, to narrow down the problem. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for BCM error codes like B10D9, hood ajar, or U0100, BCM communication loss, to narrow down the problem. These steps will help you identify the specific issue causing the false alarms. For door ajar issues, start by cleaning the door sensor contacts to remove any dirt or corrosion that could cause false readings. Alternatively, adjust the door striker plate to ensure better alignment and proper closure detection. If the hood switch is faulty, replace it with a new one, which is a relatively inexpensive part available at auto parts stores. If a new key fob battery doesn't resolve the issue, the problem may lie with the BCM requiring a software update. Ford has issued technical service bulletins like 232142 for hood ajar switch problems and recalls, such as TISA campaign 24V123 for key fob battery drain in 2022-2023 models. If problems persist after these fixes, visit a Ford dealer for BCM reprogramming or module replacement. Also check the Ford Pass app for over-the-air updates that can address BCM glitches.